want to live your life for your satisfaction, your happiness, or do you want to continue to seek approval of others and continue to please others? I'm sure your answer is the first one. But if you look around, you will notice that there's a huge majority of people who are living their lives to please others. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some ideas which will help you to understand why is it important to live your life for your satisfaction and your happiness. So the first idea is, let's talk about the career. I am a career acceleration coach, and that is why I'm choosing career as the first point. What is it that you want to do for the rest of your life? Who shall decide that? You need to be the decision maker about what do you want to continue to engage yourself constructively, productively for the rest of your life. Shall you decide or shall someone else decide? And you will again notice there are many people who are in careers decided by others. Classic example, you must have seen that movie Three Idiots. There was a student who wanted to be a photographer, but eventually he had to choose the career of being an engineer. So you need to decide what do you want to do. I came across a colleague in the bank that he wanted to be a professor, lecturer. He wanted to be in academics, but he became a banker. For 30 plus years, you continue to do the same thing and still continue to say to yourself, I wanted to be like this. So choose your career for your happiness, for your satisfaction. Second important thing is, when you work for your happiness, when you work towards your satisfaction, you are able to decide how to utilize your time on a day-to-day basis. What kind of activities must consume your time, that is decided by you. But when you are a people pleaser, people will keep on telling you do this, do that, and so on. And at the end of the day, you find vacuum within yourself. There is no sense of satisfaction or fulfillment. So another example that I'm sharing is, there's a colleague of mine and he looks forward to weekends because on weekends he is able to engage in those kinds of activities which give him joy. Not only he, his entire family. So how do you utilize your time needs to be decided by you. Third important thing is, when you are working for your happiness, you are able to express your thoughts and feelings very openly. You do not have any qualms about saying something or doing something or feeling something, because that's you. And you are able to say it to others and you are speaking from your inner self. You are not saying anything to please others. Someone asks you, how are you feeling? And you say something to please the other person. How good is that? Right? So you are able to express yourself more openly and more freely. Next important aspect is, you are able to express about your likes and dislikes. And here comes another important point. When you are working towards your happiness, when your decisions and choices are for your happiness, you are able to say yes to certain things and you are able to say no to many things, because you are able to define your boundaries very, very clearly. So this is another point. Next important point is, you become self-dependent. Now, let us look at the world around. What is good? Remaining dependent on others for all the times, or being self-dependent and allowing people to take decisions for you? Right? So if you want to be self-dependent, you will have to look at what makes you happy. And you'll be able to make those decisions and you will never regret those decisions. That's the very interesting point of it. And the last point that I'm sharing is, you will be able to take ownership and responsibility for your life. Everything that is happening in your life, you will be able to say, I decided and that's why I will go ahead with it. You will not have that kind of regret, and you'll be able to take decisions and course corrections if certain decisions turn out to be wrong. But ultimately, you are saying that you are deciding for yourself. So final point that I'm saying is, work towards your happiness, because if you continue to dedicate your energy and your efforts to please others, it is not going to take you anywhere, because you can't please anyone, you can't please everyone all the time, right? So thank you.